years. What? 9 years. I was to say 10. 9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece under the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. So we want them and them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This are
Pretty girl, pretty baby. She's so shy.
Good morning, YouTube family. Happy Sunday to you. Hope that when you get to see this little breakfast video of mine, everything will be good. And maybe you also make some nice breakfast or dinner or something too. Been a long, not really a long, but it's been a good little time. So today is Sunday. Today is what day came out, the 11th. Yeah, this is when we're doing this video. And this video is a real Jamaican breakfast into a real Jamaican kitchen. And I'll tell you and show you as I go along. I have breadfruit and my roast it from country, from St. Mary. And you make sure that you are subscribed to my Jamaican Devin's channel. And you're here on the outside. The boys are taking out the bottle. We have some bottle here we want to get out and stuff. So they are on the outside taking out bottles. So sorry for that. So real Jamaican breakfast in a real Jamaican kitchen. We got here a little frozen ackee. I have some water here coming to a boil. I can boil it. I've got a little piece of saltfish. I don't know what they do with the saltfish there, you know, family. But I put it for soak a few hours now. And I scald it out. But it look like it well cooked already. It is so soft. Camera girl, no, she don't like this ackee. So I'm going to cook up some bad dog sandwich, a sausage, mix up with the saltfish and then take out hers for the ackee. Have the breadfruit very roast. And I was saying to you, hope you're following me on my St. Mary Jamaican Debbie Stream channel, where you see all of them something that we will do. It's getting a little hectic over there, so make sure you subscribe. And if you're not, go right on over here, pause this video now and go right on over here. We'll be running the name of that channel right across the screen right here right now, so you just go subscribe. So ackee and saltfish fry over roast breadfruit and whatever the tea. I don't know where we're getting. I'm going to just add a cup of black coffee this morning. Normally I'm not a coffee person, but I did just that. I've got a chicken here thawing out for dinner. I've got some peas here being soaked. So I'm showing you why it's a real Jamaican kitchen this Sunday. But I'll catch you in the next day. Okay, now so my saltfish just finished boiling off. And you see that try come over for me, family. Getting so rude. Look at it. I leave it in a cold water. It look like something with that cook from me. So water is boiling. I did salt it already. Let me put it away from it. Wow. Ooh. I think I have too much water. So I'm gonna take me some out. Yeah, I don't want to hold it because it's in the freezer already. So I'm going to take me some out. So I have my saltfish I cook. And yeah, that's okay. So I get me some water now on the saltfish. My ackee, I did say I've got my saltfish cooking. That me just say. I've got my ackee there going to cook. So I have to make sure so I get some cold water on the saltfish. Then slice up my breadfruit. And hey, you remember I'm trying to plant it. Yeah, so that's about it for this clip. Okay, now family, my ackee is there cooking away a little. And I've used so far half of my breadfruit. May I go fry breadfruit, yes or no? The one look like it got too thickish, but look here. It's real life. I never use the machine cut it. I never know there's so much oil in the pot, girl. So, and that the man we always pick up the saltfish in a party, and him are the aki guy, so I make it go and do it like something. Let me see if it have enough salt. Me know. Yeah, some people have put the aki and the saltfish together. Me not knock you. My mother used to do it that way too, but me honestly, I don't like it. But my breadfruit is there. I can turn up the heat a little more. I drink coffee already, so I guess. I drink a lemonade. When I orange juice down. So, yeah. But I will cut up the frankfurter now, whilst these are frying, and then I'm gonna ask Dad to go do the saltfish. And him and the saltfish man around here. Next clip, family. So family, we have decided to use just a half of the breadfruit, cause look here, the breadfruit not fry already, and the breadfruit make you gassy, especially with the aki. So we have decided just to use a half. So I'm going to put the half. I'm not really going to freeze this, because by another 2 or 3 days, somebody in the family will want it. That look like you love it. So I'm just going to put this, squeeze out the excess here. Yep. So what is happening over here? I take out my first butter breadfruit. And look like me did have some, I don't know who used this oil, but they had a little, we can make a camera girl if you cook up. So breadfruit is over there and the stove being kept warm. Aki is finished, and me I finished the set of breadfruit here and then go fry the plantain. I still not see that yet, you know. We deal with the saltfish, me. If him not there, I'm not do no saltfish. Him pick up the saltfish, make it share, make it serve. That have the hand if you pick up the saltfish that it can serve family. Do not make any. Right. So that is what is happening. And then still out there logo with battle, you know. You know, hear them throughout the whole video, them are playing music phone with the battle them. Yeah, when things get bad at Jamaica, we sell battle. Yeah, I'm not shame, I might buckle them. You shame for sell battle camera girl? You ever sell battle yet? Nobody make up your face. You never go sell battle yet?
No, what would I go sell battle?
Because you know response for yourself, but when you respond for yourself, you might have to go sell it for battle. Comment, family, comment.
What's the reason for say, oh, recycle?
Recycle? Yeah, then I want by the battle them holiday I come up, you know. And all of that. So I'll catch you in the next clip, fam. So family, may I cut up the little. Like it's still frozen, but it will work out when I cook up. Still not find that yet, you know. I'm doing this. So my breadfruit and my plantain right over here is finished. And all of that. So I keep it, put it on the stove to keep it warm. And when the breadfruit fry over and it cool. I don't know, maybe people don't mind it, but from me a country girl. Yeah, so I finish up the little first sausage. I have to kind of fry it off first by itself. And you don't mind, this not come off to eat this. And then I fix the sandwich and then put it bad down. Yeah. You can, these are the casing where you can just, you know, just cook off whatever. Okay, family, so this is the sausage. So actually this sausage is, this bad dog sausage is all pork. I did not know. Camera girl told me that. I thought it was a mixture of pork and chicken, but she said it's actually all pork. So I'm going to put in my saltfish now and stuff. I'll make the saltfish get a little brown up in, so I don't know if I like my saltfish. A little browned. I love that. And camera girl alone would eat this. Not true. But that's how it goes sometimes. And not all the while it's going to be. Sometimes it's going to be a lot. Yep. Okay, now fam. So,
Where's mine?
fam, all the while it's happening. We take out before I put in the ackee for camera girl. All the time. Camera girl, you should have ackee and them sometimes. Because we don't keep it happening. I am so sorry, darling. You know mommy sorry and it happens all the time. Eh? I'm so sorry. Just try today. Try. Girl, I am sorry. All the time it happening in a fam. Just working and doing whopper things while you are doing whopper things. Real life, real life, real life. Next okay, plate. Now so family, let me try my best to pick up most of the little protein something put in our plate. Let me make of the mess I made. Dad and Jer, them love Aki's and shame. Both of them love it the same. You will eat a little camera girl, she not really eat nothing with it too tough. I'll eat a little now and then. But Dad and Jer not eat right plantain. So, wow, what is your problem this morning? In not eat right plantain, right? Because something that I did in the oil, you know, how much breadfruit you want. That's true. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to Jerry wrap up another little slice. I mean, not mine. And honestly, I don't really want to hold a right plan either. This is how the rest of the plate look like. Not so lovely. But because everything about this this little breakfast video is real, but I just have to put my little ackee right there, so and all of that right now.